So according sa ating bubuwit, no, according sa ating bubuwit Kamiranda, pag-upo ni Kevin Warsh sa Lunes, next week na yon, mukhang may imok. Hindi yung mag-emote may imok. Emergency management emergency meeting of the operating committee. I forgot the name pero mukhang may meeting na mangyayari. Unusual ba na may emergency meeting? Hindi, because in the past nagkaroon na rin ng FOMC emergency meeting si Powell. Nagawa na nila ito noong, give me a second. Okay. Nangyari na ito nung this happened during the COVID in terms of cutting rates, no? These were the first emergency cuts since 2008. Nangyari na yan. And he has, ito yung so FOMC, nangyari ito no March 2020 during the pandemic. During the pandemic, mga Kamiranda. Alright, no March 15, 2020, emergency meeting yan. Yung 2022, hindi siya emergency meeting, pero merong cumulative rate hikes na nangyari, no? Kaya bagsakan po ang market during that time. So hindi na iba. Ang narinig ko, again, this may or may not be true, mukhang mag-emergency meeting to cut rates, no? Sino ba ang imprimatur niyan? Hindi nag-assign sa kanya, sa palagay natin. Tingnan po natin, ano, kung matutuloy. But because ito yan, pag biglang natuloy yan, magwawala ang market.